guys, it's Tiki TV here, and we have got 2 boxes of goodies. We have no idea what's in them, so we thought we'd show you guys what's in them. So 3, 2, 1. Whoa! I've got like a big bag. I want to try these. I've got Fanta as well. Look, Fanta. Don't know what that says. Like, just Japanese. I think. We've got these. These look like Oreos, I think. Kirby's trying his Fanta. It's like, yeah, I just want to get straight into my Fanta. It's like, yeah. It's also a drink. Yeah. I think it is. I got a packet of Oreos. Ow! This is hurting! Do you want me to do it for you, please? Do you want me to do it for you? Whoa, it's green! What? Whoa. This is fizzy, like lemonade. Do you want to try this? Try it. It's nice. It's like a limey thing. It's nice, isn't it? But Tilly doesn't like stuff. That's nice though. It's like Oreo biscuits. These are pretty nice. These are weird. I've got Pockies! I've always wanted to try one of these. I'm not sure if I like this or not. I'm gonna try this. Do you want to try this? What is it? Oreo. Oreo. What I've got. Bad. I don't want to actually put my hand over here. So I have.
I don't even open this.
Next. I'm gonna get some chocolate flavored Pockies. So these are, I think these are like little like sticks or something, like biscuity sticks, covered in like chocolate. I'm gonna. Whoa! How cool these look! Look at them. I like the little sticks covered in like strawberry ice. I think most of these are gonna be taste like funky because they're from a different country to where we live. These are nice. Definitely. Oh my god. That's so nice. Good. Oh. You can comment down below whether you would like any of these sweets and which ones you would not try. These are amazing. You want to have a little bite? Take some. Take it. Take it. Nom nom nom. It's nice. Amazing. I'm saving these for later. Leave some around your mouth.
What flavour is your Fanta, Kirby?
Do you want to try it? Can you try it? It's really nice.
It's like hands.
It's nice. Tilly doesn't like it.
Red on the thing is like some sort of cream savoury.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh, mango flavoured Pockies. I didn't like that one taste. I don't know what this is. It says it's a cake filled with water or something. This is just dead It looks like a cake. I'll open it so you can see it without the wrapper. It looks like an ice cream. It's like a wafer and it's got like this chocolate. But just so that you know, we're not doing this before our tea. No. Just so that you know. I'm going to try one of these. They're mango flavoured. Mango.
Mango Pockies.
This is different and weird. That's nice. You want to try it, Mum? It's nice.
Mum's hand again.
It's nice, that one.
You don't like that? What
No.
is it? Is it chocolate?
It's like a mango sorbet that I love. It's like a mango sorbet. It's a bit weird. It's like
Tasted the wafer?
yeah. I bet you it's nice. This tastes like mango
Got chocolate
sorbet.
filling in it.
If you've ever tasted mango sorbet, it's amazing. But if you haven't, go and try it. It's amazing. Mango sorbet.
Next, I'm trying out these mango think these are like mango pockies, the same ones we had earlier on.
That I just opened previously. Oh my gosh, you'll love these. Chocolate favoured Hello Pandas and they're chocolate. These are going to be so
I got the
nice.
white one. Do you want
Yeah.
to swap? Because I don't like these and I think you'd like these. And then
I don't. I think.
do you maybe want to try one of each?
Yeah, probably.
Comment down below what your favourite
Kind of
flavour pockies are. Because we've got a variation of flavours here, guys. It's crazy. We've got like
I only
cookies
got
and cream,
a
we've had
packet. Look how
chocolate.
big it is compared. What?
Wow.
The packet's
We've got-
tiny.
We've got some mango flavoured pockies. We've got some cookies and cream. We've got some strawberries. We've got a lot going on in this box, guys. Well, it's technically not a box. I guess it's a bag, but same thing.
Yeah.
Like, it's not the same thing. It's a box and a bag, but
Come on. These are chocolatey. Try it.
they nice.
Yeah, amazing.
So we've got this little,
They are a bit.
we've got this little biscuit. It's got
Yeah,
like a
they're
picture of Panda on it.
That's so cute.
Oh, so you can see
daisy.
it's got some chocolate filled inside.
Oopsie daisy. I read that from the top and it says tear here. I didn't even see it. Look. It says tear here and I just ripped it from the top.
These are the mango flavoured.
They're nice, they're really nice.
Are they called Chuckies or Pockies? I thought they were called Chuckies for a second.
They're really nice. They taste like mango sorbet. Nice, aren't they? I'm
I
gonna
like that
go on to my next. Sorry, from tear here.
It's a very citrusy flavour.
What?
It's like, I'm not sure whether you can see the like cream on it, but it's, I wouldn't say it's cream. I'd say it's like a flavoured chocolate.
Ooh.
But it's like, I'm not sure whether you can see it. It's a bit darker than the breadstick.
These are column biscuit rolls. Look at the packaging. It looks nice. Look at them. So nice.
I'm going in for my cookies and cream pockies.
They look nice. Oreo flavored, probably. I don't even know how to open this.
I think Kirby would quite like these because it's like a dessert, like a filling dessert type of flavour. Because it's like, I think this is like, it should be a cocky because like a K for Kirby, Randy is cocky. Cocky for Kirby.
How do I open this? Oh, there.
And it comes in this really nice shiny
Oh, these smell
packaging.
nice. Smell it, Tills. Smells so nice. Come and smell it, Mum.
It's a bit strong. Mum's like,
Mmm.
It's nice, isn't it?
What's that one?
This is, that's
Those colons. Don't sound very appetizing.
colon. They're biscuit
Colon.
rolls, strawberry flavoured. Smell it. Like it.
you like smell everything.
Smell vision.
Smell everything.
Mmm. Nice. Try it, Toy.
They look like Kirby.
Little tiny things made of like
These are like
backflip. It's an acrobatic
It's like-
one. It's an acrobatic.
you should see the colour of your face.
It's like
Come in so everyone can sit on your chair.
it's like
It's
a
like this
little.
really weird texture. It's got like, if you, I'm not sure whether you can
It's
see. It's
got
like,
actual bits of cookie in it.
it's
Yeah,
actually
yeah.
got bits of Oreo in it. Try it.
It's acrobating out of your hand. I don't really get to taste anything. I don't taste anything. It's like an ice cream cone, like
Taste
cut.
it, Tilly.
Yeah.
It's like
Yeah,
an ice cream
odd.
cone cut. And with some like strawberry and what's the name with
This
it?
strawberry pocky.
Mmm. Mmm. It's nice.
And then I think the chocolate one is a Tocky.
Get in there, baby. Get in my belly.
It's a bit of a mess down here. It's just like, okay, just throw everything down there.
What's this? Caprico.
I didn't like them, but you might like them.
Chocolate flavour confectionery filled in with waffle cone. What's waffle?
Waffle.
It just says waffle.
Oh.
Filled with waffle cone.
Waffle.
But we got waffle cone.
Waffle home.
I don't even know what Pocky Choco Banana. Pocky
I don't
Chocky
like those.
Pocky Choco Banana.
Oh no, I don't like bananas.
You probably have one. I don't think she has one because she doesn't like
What are
bananas.
these kids?
They're like.
Let him do his thing first.
Wait a sec.
Do you know who that is on there?
Pokemon. Hello. Wait a sec.
The little pig thing.
Pink thing.
In the middle.
Show me. Yeah, the little pig dude is called Kirby.
And that's my name! But there's another.
Imagine if there was a game called Tilly. How weird would that be, guys?
But it's called Pokemon, isn't it?
The game is called Kirby.
The game is called Kirby.
Yeah.
These are.
Yeah.
Jeez.
These are new printed characters. It says on
Wow.
the packaging, so it comes in this
Look.
really cute little packaging. I've done the exact same thing as you, Kirby. Look, I've tried to open it by here when there's a tear here. I mean, common sense, Tiki TV. Like,
Try this.
that wasn't easy. Oh, yeah, it wasn't.
Mum, try this.
Got the, it says on the packaging,
Just bite the top of it. It's
Hello
amazing.
Panda, Meggy, Hello
It's
Panda.
nice, isn't it? Kelly doesn't like them.
No, I like that.
That's nice, isn't it?
There's one down there if you want it, underneath the box.
Taste it. I'm not gonna put some stuff on my floor.
Oh, no. La, 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 la.
I'm putting stuff on
I
my
haven't been
floor.
liking any of these guys. Because I'm like a very...
I'm gonna try my game
and
called
this,
Kirby.
this is my last one, guys.
I've tried them. They're really nice.
Are they?
Yeah, they're amazing. I just gave you one then. I just gave you one. Just so nice.
Did you?
Yeah.
All right.
My
It's
favourite
so
so far is the Hello Pandas.
Really? It's Japanese. Maybe I love Anna. Look at this, like, what the? Look at this. It looks like a skating ramp or something.
What is it, Kirby? Is it the they're chewing gum, I think. You might want to save those till last. Or not.
It's strawberry-ish. It's strawberry-ish.
I love this wafer, guys. By the way, this is called a column or a fallon or something.
Column.
A column. It's got a nice flavoured
Strong.
wafer.
This is strong.
What flavour is it?
Strawberry? It's very strong though.
What's that, Tony?
It's this,
Can I try one of those?
They're columns. They're really
Can I
nice.
try and pull one?
They're so nice then.
Thank you.
I like the wafer, not the actual. And we've got this it's like a wafer. It's so cool. It's got this really nice detailed pattern. And if you didn't know where to order these, go online and put into the search bar tofu cute. And
.com or something.
is it .com? Was it
.co.uk, I think.
Yeah.
tofucute.co.uk? You can put a link.
Down
We'll
in
put a link down in the description, and
Because they do all the candy kits as well, don't they?
Yeah.
and also comment down below if you've tried any of the tofu cutes out before or going to. I love these.
Have you tried all yours? Have you got more to try?
I've got loads more to try.
Have you tried the banana?
What? I'm going to put this in the bin right now.
No, stay there, Chris. Just pass it to me.
It's so strong. It's dead strong. Hey, stop fruiting them biscuits. What the? Shiggy ain't.
It's super sour. Oh
She
gosh,
gets
no.
kicks.
She gets so
Super-
She just
Look
call it the
at that.
shagan kicks for now.
It says,
No.
it says, super sour at the corner.
Oh, no.
Oh.
I hate super sour, but I love sour. I love sour, but
I hate sour.
super
It's like whenever I like. Have you ever tried toxic waste? Like,
Oh, I hate them.
it's like you need like whenever you play
Can't
like the
even
toxic
open
waste
it.
challenge, you
I
need
think I
like
need scissors.
you need a spitting bowl, like a.
It's really sour though. But when you
Are you
get
going to
used
try one,
to
Tilly?
it,
Are you going to try one of those? Come on, Tilly.
Do you see you can hold it for the longest? Oh no.
Tilly will hate me.
Wait there.
It's midgy as well. It's like
Okay.
It's like a
1,
Mickey
2,
thing.
3, go.
I won.
Easily. Is it that bad? Put it back in.
Hot.
Oh, is it that bad if you... Ew.
So sour.
Is it? Daddy's going to do one.
Oh! See his reaction. Come here, Dad. Come and see his reaction. So sour. Oh.
Oh! Oh!
I'm gonna throw up in a minute.
Oh my god.
Jeez, Dad!
how is that dad like not? He's not flinching. It's like
That is rough.
No, don't. His reaction is dead funny. Your reaction's dead weird.
Oh! Oh.
And if you want to have our next video, comment down below. Please, can I have a shout out? And then we'll like give you a shout out in one of our next videos. Oh, I hate that.
This
Sorry.
is so good. But after a minute, it gets
Is it chewy
better.
or is it hard? I'm not even finding
Hard.
out. They're hard, you have to suck it.
Sticks.
Hey, get
Choco
out, Master.
banana.
You
Choco
just- you've got to
banana.
find one for Emily.
Mhm.
Wait a second.
No.
It's a chocolate like stick, and then some like banana flavored.
Can I show you
Icing.
guys
Look,
some of these? So these are basic. I think these are chewing gums, and this is
Chewing gum?
like
Is it?
these little Japanese chewing gums.
yeah.
They're so like
How do
tiny and fiddly to open. Do you want me to open that?
Oh,
Do you want me to open that so it's quicker?
I've got it.
Okay.
Thanks for asking.
Is there anything else in the bag?
Yeah, we've got these.
Oh yeah, those.
What are they?
They're flavour change. I
Flavour
think as
change.
you're eating them, they change flavour.
No.
Whoa, can I try one, please?
Yes. They're probably all. It's probably just one big one.
Oh, I hope it doesn't
Thinking as
change to
you
banana.
suck it. Banana.
As soon as it goes banana, I'm just gonna go like. They're all. Are they all different
Are they all
colours?
the same
Gumball.
colour?
They're all pink.
It's getting chewier now.
Is it?
After 40 hours later.
So it's about like an orangey flavour now.
Finally,
Is
I
that
swallowed
chewy?
it.
I don't know.
Finally.
Ah! Banana.
Who likes choco banana? Wow. That's actually quite nice.
They're going in this bag.
I guess if Toby want one of those, he hasn't had one of his.
Oh, right. You haven't had one of your change flavours.
This is nice and cold, man.
You try them on, Tilly?
No,
Go on.
I'm not brave enough.
Go on, just a little bite.
I'll eat the chocolate bit.
No, try that bit.
They're nice.
They smell really nice, actually.
How the heck do you get these out?
No.
Get out!
No?
No. There's Kirby's chewing gum.
How small they are! They're tiny. What flavour is
Is it
strawberry?
changing flavour, yours, Tilly?
I-
You got rid of
Banana,
Did
kind
it?
of.
Was it chewy?
No.
Hard. What's your teeth?
Did you hear that?
So, which was your favourite out of all of them?
I think my favourite was probably the Pocky chocolate sticks.
The
Considering the-
normal ones.
Yeah, they're there. They're there.
They're actually nice.
Those ones.
These were my favourite.
That looks like a sprout to me.
And what was your favourite, Chris?
Mine was the Hello Panda Just Chocolate.
The just chocolate, I think it was.
Yeah.
Yours, wasn't it? There you go, Kirby. Get the box.
That's so nice. That's so nice.
Show
Mate, I've
everybody
got-
which was your favourite sense.
These Hello Pandas. See? They're really
And what was
nice.
your favourite, Tilly?
Pocky just plain.
I love puppies.
And that's all from us today, guys. We hope. That's all from us today, guys. If you like watching our videos,
Please subscribe to our channel.
and ring the notification bell so you never miss another Tiki TV video.
Thanks for watching.
And as usual, we'll see you all next time on Tiki TV. Bye, guys.